Hello family, how are you? Share marima le guaye. Bana ngicha ka talk English kana talk nuerneme. Guaseme. Michelle, I love that girl. Di lara no an naka nyamo. An naka nyamo. I love that girl. Guaseme rewde I love her so much. Di lara no an naka jelong. I love her so much and nakajelong. Guasame, she is my soulmate. You know, Jen, a mess tiada, she's very beautiful. You know, Jen and Yamugualong. Kide laro Jen and Yami palang. I love that girl and Nakanyamo. I love her so much and Nakajelong. She's my soulmate, Jen Emel Tieda. She's very beautiful, Jen and Yami Gualong. Be sure to get a tonic at Tom Nantanas, Biatemal.